Sweet.
This is all cool shit. You work on a lot of movies?
Yeah, I do a bunch of different stuff.
That's what's up, man. That's probably the biggest thing you worked on.
Oh, man. I worked on a Prince documentary over the summer.
Oh, shit, word?
Probably the biggest thing, yeah.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah, it was fun.
That's dope.
Yeah.
I'm glad to have you working on Under the Bridge, man.
Stoked to be here.
Definitely. Out here on this cold, shivery night,
Yeah.
filming TV pilots. Yeah, they're miking me up again, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm not working for the federal government. Again, I am an actor. Short disclaimer.
Okay,
We ready?
Try this on, yeah.
All right, cool.